Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this look using my UniWigs Bella topper. That bedhead, effortless, natural wave kind of look has been on trend for quite some time now, and I've had an issue with it since it's been out. And that's because it's honestly not natural. It's kind of faking being natural. Those of you with wavy, curly, frizzy, just overall texturized hair, you know all too well that achieving a look like this that's super smooth and frizz-free actually requires so much effort and time. And that's because that bedhead natural wave kind of look doesn't have any frizzy hair in it. It's very smooth, but it also has a natural wave to it. So really, you have to straighten your hair and add back the curl and texture. There's no way in hell I'm doing that to my natural, thin and brittle hair. I'm not gonna straighten it and then add curls back to it. But this is a great hairstyle for a topper like this one, especially an inexpensive topper like this one, because all the heat tool damage is concentrated on the topper. I really like this style using this particular topper because it adds a ton of extra volume. Hairstylists actually add individual extensions to achieve the fullness of this look, but toppers are much less damaging to the scalp and hair, so this is a better option. Now, of course, I hope you've already subscribed so that you can be a part of this journey with me, but you can also click that notification button so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, if you're ever interested in any of the products that I use, they're all listed on my website, lylahk.com. And of course, feel free to connect with me anytime on Instagram at LylahK, whether it's to drop me a comment, ask me a question, or if you have a video request. I love chatting with you guys. All right, let's get to the tutorial. For this look, you'll need a comb, a curling wand for the waves, or a flat iron if you prefer, and some texturizing product to help accentuate the texture and waves of your hair. As you guys can see, the topper already has a ton of volume at the top. So this is really great because I don't have to tease it and add that volume that this messy bedhead kind of look tends to have. Then I'll section off my hair into pieces that are about an inch in width, max, slightly less, and I'll curl these pieces on the highest setting. I find that I actually have to use the highest setting whenever I'm curling my Remy hair toppers. And as you can see, a natural loose wave is left. So I'm not gonna comb through the waves just yet. I'm gonna let them cool and continue curling the rest of my hair. One thing I want to point out here is I don't curl every single piece so it looks like perfect beachy wave. No, instead I'm just popping loose waves all over my hair, all over the front and the back without touching the hair on the inside, which is actually my natural real hair. Then taking my favorite texturizing and curl enhancing product, I apply it and break up the curls with my fingers. This step adds obviously more texture to the hair and accentuates the curls. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and if you have any special tips for styling your toppers. If you're interested in purchasing this topper or any other product from UniWigs, feel free to use my promo code Lylah15 for 15% off. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.